Hello guys, welcome to Joseph IT, your technology entertainer. Today I'll be showing you the way of downloading Windows 10, the latest version from its official website of Microsoft as ISO file easily. There are so many videos on YouTube, but I can guarantee you after seeing this video, you'll never face any problem at the time of downloading Windows versions. So I'm going to my browser first, and as you can see I'm on the official website of Microsoft.com and I'm on the particular link, and you'll be able to find the link on the description too for the ease of your access. So it's saying download Windows 10. Simply scroll down, and under Creative Windows 10 installation media, simply on the blank space right click and go to inspect. You need to use a simple trick before downloading. So there you'll be able to find toggle device toolbar. Click on there. After clicking there, you'll be able to find a bar with which you can move the website. Okay, now simply reload the tab. And yes, after the loading, simply close that, and as you can see, the page has changed. Same link, but the page has changed, and it's now asking you to choose the edition. Now click on select edition, and we have to choose Windows 10, not 10 April update. We cannot select that, Windows 10. Now click on confirm, and it's validating your request. And now choose your language. I'm choosing English International and clicking on confirm. And now simply choose the bit you are trying to use. Always I'm with 64-bit Windows setting, and I'm just going to click on 64-bit. And yes, as you can see, it is now asking me to download the latest version of Microsoft Windows 10, and which is in ISO format, and it's taking 4.37 GB in size. So I'm just simply clicking on start download, and it's being downloaded as you can see. And after downloading the software, I'll be back. And yes, finally I have downloaded the original version of Windows 10, the latest one, and this is the ISO file. And if I check the properties, it is 4.37 GB in size. I have to install it, and now I'm just going to boot my pen drive, my USB flash drive, and then going to freshly set up my computer. So if you don't know how to boot your pen drive and how to set up with ISO file, then just please check the video from the description too on my channel. And lastly, if you really found this video useful, then please don't forget to like and share. And to get such type of videos, please consider subscribing this channel and inspire us to make videos like this. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.